How to transfer files from an old iPhone to a new iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer files from an old iPhone to a new iPhone. First, make sure that your current device is connected to Wi-Fi and that Bluetooth is turned on. Then, turn on your new iPhone and place it near your old iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the setup. If the prompt to set up your new device disappears, restart both devices and try again. Connect your new device to Wi-Fi or a cellular network. You might be asked to activate your cellular service, set up Face ID or Touch ID as part of the setup process. Now choose how you want to transfer your data. If you select iCloud, your apps and data will download in the background, allowing you to start using your new iPhone right away. If you choose to transfer directly from your old iPhone, you will need to wait for the process to complete on both devices before using them. Keep both iPhones close to each other and plugged into power until the transfer is finished. The transfer time will depend on your network speed and the amount of data being moved. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.